Good afternoon, everyone. Today, my team Click will be presenting our design project, the Tourist Captive Portal System, or TCPS, through this video. My team members are Chuanzi as our leader, Yi Leong, Esther, and me, Yu Fai. As an introduction, the tourism sector currently suffers a major impact from the pandemic. Therefore, a proper recovery plan is expected to restore the sector and for travelers. It is estimated that the digital marketing would be a new drive to amplify the recovery in short term. In the Sarawak state, Miri has long been considered the resort city of Sarawak with the famous hotels, cozy environment, and tasty foods. So, by focusing on the growth in the tourism sector, a Tourist Captive Portal System, or TCPS, is proposed to promote tourist hotspots in Miri. A TCPS is a free Wi-Fi provider that is placed in various landmarks. Tourists connected to the Wi-Fi will be redirected to a web app that contains various vouchers and discounts for local restaurants and activities. Also in rural areas, QR code will be used as an alternative to access the web app. On the problem statement, due to the recent pandemic, many of the sectors has been performing badly around the world. And in Malaysia, with oil and gas as our main source of income for our country, the tourism sector is also been affected too. Therefore, we will be starting off our project in Miri. However, there are currently few issues to be addressed. Firstly, Miri is an area focusing more on oil, gas, timber and palm oil industry, with the tourism sector least pay attention to. Next, the publicity and media promotions of local businesses were very minimal, causing many of these locations with potential to be hidden away from the public and tourists. This causes stress on their revenue due to the lack of visitors to their compound. Lastly, many of the local businesses are suffering from the lack of customer and needed a short-term boost to keep their business going. Therefore, our objective will be focused on helping the local business owner by promoting them to the tourists and public. Our design approach starts with placing our TCPS module in local landmarks. Tourists visiting the landmark will be provided free Wi-Fi from our TCPS to be connected. The connection will send an email to the tourists containing promotions from various vendors. The promotions will be mainly local businesses in the city surrounding the landmark. Our product design consists of a Raspberry Pi with a Wi-Fi module installed. The Wi-Fi module acts as an actuator that will redirect the user to our cloud service consisting our website. Our design also included a QR code for some landmark that is located in rural area. Amazon Web Service or AWS was selected as our cloud service because it is free and is fully maintained by Amazon service. The AWS will act as a database for the coupons and promotional codes, and it also collects user information for further development such as advertisement emails. The cost of our operation is estimated to be 46 ringgit for the Raspberry Pi module. The Amazon Web Service is free of charge that provides good security and maintenance. There is also an optional cost of 166 ringgit for a better Raspberry Pi module for better connectivity.
Now, please let me introduce to you our Click project. As in this demonstration, we will be using the spare unit Raspberry Pi model 3B Plus instead of GOW. This is because we're concerned that due to the COVID-19 issue, the logistics service may be affected and not able to deliver the service on time. Although the price of Model 3 B Plus is much higher, but it could provide higher bandwidth, which could bring out more number of device connection for internet service. The main role of Raspberry Pi in this project is to function as a wireless access point to provide internet service for our tourists with connecting to ISP router. First of all, let's assume when there is a foreign tourist visit Miri to Sun Beach, the tourists will be able to connect to the Captive Portal when they are moving nearer to the Wi-Fi hotspot. Here starts the demonstration. This phone will be represented as the tourist smartphone, which able to connect to the public Wi-Fi network in Wi-Fi setting, the click AP. Now, when the creative portal pop out, all you need to do is just click on continue to get the free Wi-Fi access. And now, we need to key in the email address to get the e-voucher. For example, I'll key in my email and submit. The redirected website shows the ongoing promotion and the collaboration partner. For example, the Taser Chicken, Starbucks, KFC, and more. And we need to wait to receive the promo e-voucher into our mailbox. Here, I'm gonna open my mailbox, refresh. Here we receive the email, promo code from Click, open it, and this is our promotional code, which can be used to get offer from the shop. And we can check on the original to prove that this email is auto-sent from the Amazon. For further verification purpose, we store the IP address of each logged devices in AWS database. And by utilizing the PuTTY software, we can now connect to instance using PuTTY SSH client. First, we copy the hostname, paste, and open. Now, after the connection is established, we need to type in flux use IP and select from IP. Here we go. The list has shown all the logged IP addresses and corresponding timestamp of logged in users. The timestamp is in epoch format where can be converted to website to human data later. And let's double check if the log data are correct. This was the form that used to log in the network provided. With TeamViewer, we actually mirroring the device screen to laptop for clearer demonstration. And now, we just simply need to type and check what is my IP on Google. Okay, the result shows that 14.192.213.40. And we cross-check with the IP addresses logged in the databases. This shows the corresponding timestamp. Now we copy the timestamp and paste. The timestamp shows that the date is around Tuesday, May 26, 2020, and around 1:34, which is close to the time that we log in to the Wi-Fi just now. With the provided IP addresses, we will be able to check which hotspot getting more demand. That's all for the demonstration part. Thank you.
During testing, our prototype is able to connect up to 10 devices side by side. The overall bandwidth provided is up to 300 megabits per second, which is similar to our household Wi-Fi router. The AWS is fully maintained by Amazon, therefore the stability of our server is guaranteed. The range is also tested to be around 10-meter radius surrounding our prototype. So as for our business model, our product will act as a medium between the local business owner and tourists. Our service include providing Wi-Fi coverage and also advertisement placement for our participating vendors. We are expecting our service to be generating revenue from ad placement and also from data storage services. There are many existing services in the market right now. By comparing these services, each of them has different advantage over another. For example, Facebook is the fastest growing reviewing platform, but the number of new reviews has been decreasing recently. Though all of them is good in promoting businesses, but most of them consist only of famous brands in the front page, pushing the obscure businesses behind them. This is where our product will be focusing. Our product has the function that will display nearby happening promotions and also businesses, giving the users option to choose from. For future development, we have planned to improve our design by including more sensors to analyze the number of tourists for research and also increasing the number of connecting devices. We have been planning to further develop our website to contain more information and also included the idea of having a physical screen installed next to our module as a tourist guide and also an extra spot for ad placement. This concludes our presentation. Thank you.